You won't believe what this week's hottest stocks are. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey through the world of stocks? This article is your ticket to uncovering the hottest stocks of the week. Whether you're an experienced investor or just someone curious about the financial markets, we've got you covered. Get ready for an insider's look at the stock market without the confusing jargon. It's all about simplicity here. 1. Introduction to hot stocks. Hot stocks are the stars of the stock market, and everyone wants a piece of the action. But what exactly makes a stock hot? Let's find out. 2. What drives stock prices? Stock prices aren't random, they are influenced by various factors like company performance, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. 3. The power of market sentiment. Understanding market sentiment can give you an edge in stock trading. Learn how to gauge the mood of the market. 4. Diving into tech giants. Tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft are always in the spotlight. Discover why these companies continue to shine. 5. E-commerce euphoria. The rise of e-commerce has transformed the way we shop. Explore the stocks benefiting from this online shopping boom. 6. Green energy revolution. Clean energy is on the rise, and so are the stocks of companies leading the charge toward a sustainable future. 7. Healthcare innovations. Healthcare stocks are on the radar as innovations in medicine and biotechnology pave the way for breakthroughs. 8. Cryptocurrency craze. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the world by storm. Get insights into this digital gold rush. 9. Retail resilience. Despite challenges, the retail sector continues to evolve. Discover which retail stocks are weathering the storm. 10. Entertainment industry surprises. The entertainment industry is full of surprises. Find out which stocks are making waves in movies, streaming, and more. 11. Conclusion: riding the wave of opportunity. It's time to take action. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can ride the wave of opportunity in the stock market. FAQs about hot stocks. 1. What are hot stocks, and why should I care? Hot stocks are those that are currently in demand and have the potential to provide substantial returns. You should care because investing in hot stocks can boost your financial portfolio. 2. How do I know if a stock is hot? You can identify hot stocks by looking at recent market trends, news, and performance indicators. Additionally, consult financial experts and analysts for insights. 3. Are hot stocks risky investments? Yes, they can be. Hot stocks often come with increased volatility, so it's crucial to research thoroughly and consider your risk tolerance before investing. 4. Can I invest in hot stocks with a small budget? Yes, you can. Many brokerage platforms allow you to buy fractional shares, making it possible to invest in hot stocks with a limited budget. 5. What's the best strategy for investing in hot stocks? A diversified portfolio and a long-term perspective can be beneficial when investing in hot stocks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and be prepared for ups and downs. In conclusion, the world of hot stocks is dynamic and ever-changing. By staying informed and adopting a thoughtful approach to investing, you can navigate these exciting opportunities and potentially reap the rewards. Remember, investing comes with risks, so always consult with a financial advisor before making significant financial decisions. Happy investing!